nobody but myself. I was feeling helpless, why the fuck you ain't come help? I was busy, I ain't see the phone ringing on your text. I tell him no.
From the hood, baby. I wanted you way back up in school, baby. Pussy sweet, strawberry lemonade. Hey, wanted your BBL, your Dr. cold as hell.
What I'm sipping got me throw. 800 nigga just for a foe. I get the pouring red like a bloody nose. Niggas asking about me cause they know I fuck they hoes. 10 cars, I'm on another level. Finna buy a plain Jane and only bust the bezel. Left my hat by her crib, bitch probably think she special. 76, not the meadow. 30 pounds of gumbo, got this shit from Big Ghetto. This that bust a brick. Niggas saying they don't like me, cause I probably fucked they wife. Niggas saying they don't like me, cause my neck and wrist icy. Niggas saying they don't like me, but ain't gon' do shit. We done pop do the do, y'all know who shoot shit. Yeah, y'all know who dump grits, yeah, y'all know who bust bricks. And anytime you see me out, I never took shit. And anytime you cause it's still around, cuz told him pull up on the blocks, bust it down. If he come out tripping like he tough, I'ma put him down. Remember how I was playing stiff, they be on me, now my wrist and my grandma, I still get.
Shake it, ooh, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, ooh.
She like, where you going? I'm tryna catch 'em while they fly. I ain't one of them, I ain't one of them. They say that I just caught a head with my other head in the back. Told her pull up in the alley, I'ma show you how to cart. He ain't cart shit. I should teach him how to fish. Shot her 50.
Long nights, I was on that block, catching heads, going to school, dope boy not. All them niggas play crazy, got they ass pop. In the booth with a 80, I ain't gon' lie. Niggas ain't really having motion, I ain't gon' lie.
Hey, hood bow, front row, shake it, you a bad bitch. She shaking dummy ass, I just wanna grab it. It's another one like DJ Khaled. I just hopped on and seen, oh yeah, me and my brothers got the
Side call, said 5 more Jeezy Bella, nigga. I really love my brothers, nigga. I'll bust your motherfucking head, nigga. I don't play with none of them.
Hey, I promise to do right by my brothers, ayy. If the police hit the lights, I can't stop, it's too much.